Small apartment makeover, budget-friendly transformation. Welcome to my small apartment makeover. Living in a small space doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style or comfort. In this video, I'll show you how I transformed my apartment using simple, affordable ideas that made a big difference without spending a lot of money. Let's start with lighting. Good lighting can completely change the mood of a space. I replaced my old bulbs with warm white lights and added a few LED strips and lamps. This instantly made the room feel more inviting and cozy, especially at night. Next, I used mirrors to make the space feel larger. Mirrors reflect light and give the illusion of more space, which is perfect for small rooms. I placed a large mirror across from my window, and the difference was amazing. Then, I created a cozy corner little escape where I can read, relax, or sip coffee. A soft throw blanket, a few cushions, a small rug, and some plants made it feel personal and peaceful. It became my favorite spot in the apartment. Wall decor was another game changer. I used inexpensive prints and DIY art to add color and personality to my walls. You don't need fancy frames or expensive paintings, just creativity and a bit of imagination. I also added floating shelves to keep things organized and stylish. They're great for displaying decor without taking up floor space. And finally, less is more. I decluttered, organized, and kept only the pieces that bring me joy. A clean, minimal space not only looks better, but it feels better too. So that's my small apartment makeover. It's not about having a big budget, it's about smart choices and personal touches. I hope this inspired you to transform your own space, no matter the size. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more simple home decor ideas.